Hello everyone, so in this video I would like to show you how to edit a picture on a video through Capcut application. So before you editing, make sure that the section of the picture is on active mode. After the section is being active, so in the bottom of the project you will have like a lot of options that you can use, such as the edit option. You can crop, rotate, and mirror the picture that you have. And we also have filters. If you want to make your picture being like more warm, cool, you can choose a lot of filters that already facilitated by the CapCut over here. You can choose. And then if you want to like adjusting the bright, the color, the CapCut also give you this option, adjust. You can adjusting the brightness, contrast, saturation, and many more. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.